2022 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Look at this thing. All the way from Cincinnati, Ohio. I don't blame them for coming down. We appreciate their business and always appreciate them watching the channel like everybody else. I always tell you guys, we really appreciate you guys doing everything you do. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then as you guys can see, we have true dualed it 2 1/4 all the way back because, you know, why not? So we crossed it over, true dualed it all the way back, and then put 2 Carven R's. There'll be a link in the description for it. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes continue custom bent all the way through to the back on each side. And we finished it off with 2 Carven tips he had on it before. There and there to complete the look, 5-inch. So he had a Carven system put on a bolt on, and it was just nothing was fitting right. It was kept falling off, hitting and everything. He's like, I'm done. I need the exhaust addicts touch. So that's what we gave him right there, as you guys can see. And it is a Bighorn edition. 2021 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. Check this out. He brought it in like 2 weeks ago or something for a Flowmaster. And then he said, it's not loud enough. I need it louder. So he brought it back and we went all out on it. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see from the pipe there, but we're going to start back here. Cat. Then we true dual it there. 3-inch mids all the way. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes, just to refine the sound a little bit more. On each side, custom bent all the way back. And then finished it off nicely with 6-inch tips. Check it out, guys. There and there. Just to finish the look and make it absolutely perfect. Those 6-inch tips, I have them on my Ram. They fit perfectly in that gap, as you guys can see right there. Look. See, it's like made for. Anyways, there it is. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. That's what it had. We put a Flowmaster Outlaw on it. We eliminated that white pipe. That's the old setup that was on it. There's the black tips. We took all that off, added to the scrap, and replaced it, made it all new. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. It's definitely louder. Again? 109, bro. That's crazy. Your sound decibels? 111. Right at 111. Again? Go ahead and back it up. Much better? Yes. Approve? Yes. Love it. Thumbs up? Yes. Ram 1500 beefy truck. I like it. He uses it for work and play. I don't blame him. I'll do the same. Wow, that sounds so good. Yeah. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. All right, guys, here we go. Ram 1500 with 5.7 Hemi. True dual, 3-inch mid, 2 1/4 outlets, 6-inch tips. Go ahead. That's perfect. Can't beat that Hemi sound, baby. Heavy. Idle on true duals. 81. Go ahead. He's gonna put long tube headers on it next. Again. That's perfect. 112. Again. That's perfect. What do you guys think? True duals is the way to go, don't you think? Let me know in the comments. Again. Go ahead and back it out. There's our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike, right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Go ahead. Again. Perfect. I'll let you guys hear all the inside. Different. You see the little headlight? I like that. Ram 1500, 5.7 liter in. True dual with Carvens. I say about Carven, it's quiet at idle too. Then it gets crazy when you step on it. Here you go, customers in. Let's see if he revs it higher than we do. We usually only rev it to 4,000 RPM. Hemi platform, you cannot beat it when it comes to tone. It's such a beautiful tone. It turns heads everywhere it goes. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, we got a Ram Classic 2022 for Mr. Drake. Thank you for coming down. We did a muffler and resonator delete on it and side angle tips. Go ahead and start it up for us. Now it sounds like a Ram. It sounds like a Hemi now. Give it gas. Look at that beast purr. Hell yeah. Take it down the road, bro. Enjoy it, man. Thank you again for coming down. I like that side look better. Let's go! Beast mode! I love the sound of it. Actually, it sounds different when it's out the side. What do you guys think? Would you like it rather in the back or out the side? I like it out the side.